Today, I'm showing you how to fix the direct message option not showing on TikTok on your Android device. Let's get started. Check message settings. Open TikTok, tap Profile, then check if Messages option appears in the bottom tab. If not, continue with the fixes below. Open Phone Settings. Exit TikTok and open the Settings app on your Android phone. Go to Apps. Tap Apps or Application Manager. Find TikTok. Scroll down and tap on TikTok. Check Permissions. Tap Permissions and ensure all necessary permissions are allowed, especially storage and contacts. Clear Cache. Go back, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Clear Data. Tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. This logs you out but may fix the issue. Force Stop. Then go back and tap Force Stop to completely close TikTok. Reinstall TikTok. Uninstall TikTok, then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Log back in and check if messages appear. If problem persists, report to TikTok. Open Report Problem. In TikTok, go to Profile, 3 lines, Settings, Help Center. Tap on Chat with Us at the bottom. Describe problem. Write, Dear TikTok team, the direct message option is not showing in my TikTok account. Please enable the direct message feature. Thank you. Tap Send or Report. TikTok support will review and wait for response. Chat with the support until your problem is fixed. And that's it. You've attempted to fix the message option not showing on TikTok. If these steps don't work, wait for TikTok support's response.